Alaska follows the Federal Consumer Credit Protection Act wage garnishment formula, giving creditors access to the full federal maximum withholding amount. Here is what creditors need to know about garnishing wages in Alaska. The Alaska garnishment limit. The maximum withholding is the lesser of 25% of disposable earnings per pay period, or the amount by which disposable earnings exceed 30 times the federal minimum wage. Alaska applies the federal formula without imposing a more restrictive state cap. Alaska's higher minimum wage. Alaska maintains a state minimum wage above the federal minimum wage. Some interpretations of the garnishment formula use the higher of the state or federal minimum wage as the baseline for the 30 times calculation, which could increase the protected floor for Alaska workers. Creditors should confirm the current Alaska minimum wage and its application to the garnishment formula. Disposable earnings, gross wages minus legally required withholdings, federal and state income taxes, Social Security, Medicare, and state employment insurance. Voluntary deductions are not subtracted. Alaska garnishment procedure. After obtaining a judgment, the creditor applies to the court for a writ of garnishment directed to the employer. The employer must respond to the writ, withhold the applicable amount, and remit as directed. The employer's obligation continues until the judgment is satisfied or the writ is released. Exempt income. Social Security benefits, unemployment compensation, workers' compensation benefits, and retirement income from qualified plans are generally exempt from garnishment in Alaska. Bank accounts containing only exempt income may also be protected. Geographic considerations. Alaska's geographic isolation creates unique employment situations, remote work, seasonal employment, and resource industry positions. Skip tracing for Alaska debtors may require investigation of seasonal employer cycles and remote work arrangements. People locator. Skip tracing identifies current Alaska employers for wage garnishment proceedings. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order.